So it's really, now we are here at this place. Like a hanging bridge. Hello. Magandang umaga sa inyo. Saan kayo pupunta? Alamada. So, it's hanging bridge. So I still have the motorcycle. And this is the river. And this is the mountain. And then I'm scared because still have the motorcycle. Gaw mo man eh. Dito oh. Ato nas nini sa unahan. And then the bridge, they are constructing the bridge here, guys. So also this is the big river. So we are walking at the hanging bridge. Kung ako lang talaga, hindi ako mag-ano dito, pero wala na tayong choice. Dito na tayo, so we need to continue. Just keep focusing. And Queenie is from there also. Natakot rin ata itong bata, oh. Dali. Pareho lang pala kaming dalawa. So this is the river here. Okay, guys. So, okay, just continue walking. Just continue. Sana si papa mo? Queenie. Ay, saan din na tayo pumunta dito? Queenie, dandahan lang ha. So I'm very scared, guys. Really very adventure. Very challenging. It's really very challenging. Thanks God I'm here already. But Queenie is still there. Dandahan lang. And I know she's very scared also. Dandahan. Kawawa naman. Natakot din siya. Ang haba kasi guys ng nilakad namin mula doon hanggang dito. At saka sa totoo lang natakot talaga ako. Kung alam ko lang din tayo pumunta dito, natakot ako. Hindi ko rin kasi alam guys na ito pala yung bridge nila. But anyway, we are here already. Thanks God. So this is the place here. Kinoconstruct pa sila nila yung yung bridge, yung tulay. So yan ang ilog. Kung alam ko lang ito, hindi na ako sumama. Nanginig tuhod ko tuloy. It's very challenging talaga ang pumunta sa iba-ibang lugar. Kung alam ko lang ganyan, yung tuhod ko parang siyempre kayo, sanay na kayo dito sa lugar na to eh. Ang ganda ng lugar. Kita mo yan, ang ganda. So okay guys, coming back later. God bless you.